Once you have entered your gradebook preferences, you're ready to begin entering your grades. Click on the Gradebook Top tab. Your list of classes will appear. Click on the box next to the course number for the first course you wish to grade, and then click on the Scores side tab. A spreadsheet will appear with all of the students in the class listed in the first column, and all of the standards for that curriculum area listed horizontally. Check at the top of the gradebook to see that the grade columns are listed as post columns term, and that the term is listed as KT1, which stands for Kindergarten Term 1. In math, there are a number of columns that aren't graded for the first term. We can easily put not applicable in each of these cells in this column. First, be sure that your caps lock is on. Then type N/A. Go to Options and select Fill Down Values. Another way to accomplish the same task is to click in the box, type N/A, and then use the Hotcut short key Control-D to fill in the column. You notice when the column is filled in, you briefly see a yellow flash. That tells you that the value in the cell is being saved. You'll notice there's no Save button on the page because each time you enter a score, it's being saved when you go to the next cell. We can see it again if we type here, for instance, and then tab over to the next cell. Enter the grades one by one, skipping over those columns that NA are in. And then going back to the next student. Until all of the rows are complete. If at any time you notice you've made a mistake entering a score, just return to the cell where the score was typed, put in the new value, and move to another cell, and the new value will be saved. If a value is entered that's not recognized by the program, for instance, a 5 is typed when the standards only run 1 through 4, when you move to the next cell, you'll get an error message telling you that the program doesn't understand the score that you've entered. In this case, again, return to the cell, type the correct value, move out of the cell, and the error message will disappear. Once all of the cells have values in them, you're ready to begin posting your grades. Recording scores for standards-based report cards is a two-part process where first all of the scores are put in the gradebook and then the scores are posted to the student transcript, which is where the report card will look to retrieve them.